Hello, this is Dr. Michael Greger coming to you from my treadmill in our nation's capital. But this morning, I was in New York City live with Kellen and Ryan. That was a lot of fun. And on February 25th and 26th, I'm going to be in Ocala, Florida. Thanks to the Jenkins Auto Group, I'll be giving talks at the Reilly Arts Center downtown, 522 Northeast 9th Street. It is free to the public, but first come, first serve, so you might want to get there early. It'll be 5:30 p.m. February 25th, and then 9:30 a.m. on February 26th. It'll be the presumably the same presentation, just given twice so we could fit in as many people as possible to share the good news that we have tremendous power over our health, destiny, and longevity. The vast majority of premature death and disability is preventable with a plant-based diet and other healthy lifestyle behaviors. I hope to see you then.